Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. In today's episode of AI App of the Day, today we are reviewing Jasper. If you are someone who works with content or a marketer or a content creator or anyone who works with content, Jasper is your go-to tool. So Jasper is a content creation, marketing and copywriting AI tool that can help you automate all your content needs. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so what exactly is Jasper AI? Jasper AI is a generative AI platform specially designed to help marketers, writers, and businesses create high quality content at scale. Unlike a general purpose chatbot, Jasper is trained on a vast amount of marketing data and provides templates for a wide range of use cases. That means you can generate a blog post, a press release, or a copyright for a particular ad, and much, much more. It has a built in mechanism to maintain a consistent brand voice and tone across all your content. What are some of the key striking features of Jasper AI? It has 50 plus writing templates that you can choose from. They are all pre built for social media, blogs, articles, press releases, and much more. You can teach Jasper AI your own specific brand voice and tone. You content rewriting, that means rephrasing, expanding, or simply existing text can be improved with clarity and engagement. Jasper also has integrated with Surfer SEO, which means the content will help you rank on Google. It provides you with collaborative workspaces. That means marketing teams, agency teams can work together on projects and share the assets. It's specially made for marketing department or marketers, social media marketing or digital marketing. The templates and features are well tailored for business as well as individual marketing needs. You can ensure that all your brand voices have consistency. You can scale your content in a large volume quickly to meet the demanding schedules. You can automate basically the entire content workflow, which is exactly time saving and helps you automate repetitive tasks. It can integrate with other popular marketing tools as well as SEO tools. The best part is that the content generated by Jasper AI is 100% plagiarism free. That means when you generate content from ChatGPT or any other tool, it can be duplicate or can be copied content. Whereas with Jasper, it has the original content. What are some of the cons? Jasper is little bit on the higher expensive side of writing AI writing assistants. It's not for general purpose use or for personal use, I would say. It's mainly meant for marketers and businesses. It has a potential for generic output if you don't specify the prompt correctly. No, the content is AI generated, but it would still require some form of human oversight or human review. Now, there is a very limited free trial of Jasper AI, but like I said, it's mainly meant for businesses and marketers. Pricing, it starts with $10 per month, but again, these will change if you are going for enterprise or business plans. Let's go ahead and check out the demo of Jasper AI at jasper.ai. All right, so this is a website, jasper.ai, and you can see AI content automation built for marketers. You can get a free demo or you can start your free trial. Now, let's scroll down to see the features. It's an AI content platform that automates the way you create. It is 100% plagiarism free and can integrate with other automation tools like Jasper Grid, Jasper Studio, and Jasper Connects. So it has Canvas where your team can collaborate. It has Studio where you can create the agentic workflows and much more. Now, these are something that every marketers would need at some point, especially if you're an agency or a marketing department. Now you can automate the entire process. It's 100% compliant with high quality and localized marketing content. You can explore more on the platform. You can see Agent, Studio, Canvas, Grid, and Image Suite. These are all the products that Jasper offers for content. Talking about the pricing, I told you it's there is no free version as such, but you can start a free trial. Now the businesses, it starts at $59 per month per seat, and business, you can contact them for custom pricing. Like I said, this is not for a everyday personal use. It's for marketing department, it's for enterprises, it's for companies exclusively. Again, the ones who are generating content at scale. Jasper AI is one of the best AI writing tools available out there. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think and your views about it. And if you want to get featured on our tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Please do like, share, and subscribe these videos so others can also get benefit from it. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.